guys, this is Turtle17 here, and this is a extremely well-made item by Mr. Christmas that I am showing you today. He went off. So essentially this guy is voice activated and I cannot cover everything that he has to say because then this video would be like 10 hours long. I'm not even joking. This thing is crazy awesome. But essentially he's voice controlled, and that's why he went off when I said his name, which you can see it's made by that company. So I probably shouldn't say it again. But there's several different modes that he has. This is the actual thing. It is called Voice Control Maestro Mouse Presents The Lights and Sounds of Christmas. I said his name again. I have his box sitting in front of me. He plays 32 Christmas carols. And that includes, let's see here. Okay, so that has 16 voice recognition songs, which are these up here. There's 16 of those, and then there are 16 bonus songs, which you get when you switch to a different mode. But as for right now, it lights up, you can see there very well. And I guess I'll just name a carol. You say, "Hello, Mr. Christmas."
Well, hello. To see what I can do, please say, "Lights on," or play a carol.
Lights on.
Ta-da! If you'd like me to do something else, just say, "Hello, Mr. Christmas."
I guess I forgot to mention that you plug your Christmas tree lights into him, and he actually controls your lights and makes them dance to the song, which is what that company is really like. They've been making a lot of things that do that, but in this case it's voice command, and it's from this little ornament. It does have a big box that you sit down at the base of the Christmas tree, which has the speaker in it. But as for this is just a small little plastic ornament piece. So I guess, hello, Mr. Christmas.
Well, hello. To see what I can do, please say, "Good night," or play a carol.
Play a carol.
You're in for a treat. Please choose a carol from my songbook.
Joy to the world.
Joy to the world. And peace on earth.
This is my favorite voice recognition song. And don't worry guys, I won't show you every single song. This is probably the only one that I'm going to show you the full activation of. But he can be turned up louder, although he's been used a lot, especially this Christmas, so his speaker's getting a little worn out, but you can turn him up or down. He also has a demo mode where would be like a store display. He talks about how he can understand you and whatnot, but I'm sure in the store they probably couldn't understand you very well.
This time of year is so joyful. Please pick another song now, or say good night.
And then if you say good night,
Good night to you.
that happens. And then hello, Mr. Christmas.
Well, hello.
And there you go. Okay, so this guy has two other modes, and those are musical light show and motion control. Obviously motion control is this little thing, I'm pretty sure is the microphone and the motion sensor. I could be wrong on that. But either way, when somebody walks past or something, then it'll go off. I haven't really used it on that mode much this Christmas, but, oh, steady. I thought this was motion control. Either way, you get the idea. The motion sensor would sense anybody walking by, and he would just turn on and start talking. Basically the same thing as voice control, except it wouldn't be on all the time, it'd just be on motion activated. Now I turned it down, but this is the musical light show. This is the option where you get those 16 bonus songs, although it also plays the original 16 songs. I like to put it on this because it just keeps going. Especially when there's a lot of background noise and whatnot, it would just keep doing music. So I'll probably let you hear, I don't know, a little bit of this, and then I will end the video with voice control, what it's famous for there, and I guess I'll turn it up. And it just goes continuously playing all these songs. I guess instead of I'm not gonna make you listen to all the songs. I guess I'll just name them. Okay, so Mr. Christmas, he's not gonna go off since I have him on Musical Light Show, but he has a lot of great songs that aren't like the company really just puts a little more, I don't know, lively beats into it, if that makes any sense. I don't know. But either way, the songs, the voice recognition songs are here. We Wish You a Merry Christmas, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, O Come All Ye Faithful, Joy to the World, O Christmas Tree, Jingle Bells, Silent Night, Here We Come a-Caroling, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, It Came Upon a Midnight Clear, Frosty the Snowman, 12 Days of Christmas, and these ones are a little covered up by that branch, but Deck the Halls, Jolly Old St. Nicholas, Winter Wonderland, and O Little Town of Bethlehem. The 16 bonus songs are Good King Wenceslas, We Three Kings of Orient Are, Angels We Have Heard on High, Carol of the Bells, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies, I Saw Three Ships, What Child Is This, O Holy Night, Ding Dong Merrily on High, Hallelujah Chorus, Toyland, which is what it's playing right now, Good Christian Men Rejoice, Auld Lang Syne, Amazing Grace, some weird name that I don't know how to pronounce, and Up on the Housetop. Just got done playing, I Saw Three Ships, and now it's playing Toyland. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, and goodbye.